Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Energy Free, and today I planning to do some investigation about solar can heating. I want to concentrate on how or which one is the best way to open the can to get most of the energy or most of the heat out of the can. In order to do that, I have done 9 different formats or different ways to open and cap the can. This is our can number 1, and you can see the top is a straight opening and the bottom of each can is opening this way, which is what they call the spiral looking down with the jigsaw. You can see it there. This is our can number 1. Our next set of can is the can number 2, which is a 4 can painted black, and the opening on the top is straight, while the opening on the bottom, you can see it's just like a wide, a 3 cut and open like a 1/4 gap in between. Our can number 3, this is our can number 3, is a straight opening. You can see this is a straight opening. Low. There's nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. It's all straight open. This is our set can number 3. It's a 4 cans, straight open, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. Our set of can number 4 is the same length of the regular 4 cans. You can see they are the same length, but this is made for a water drop from the gutter water drop. Nothing inside, just a straight painted black water drop gutter from the gutter. Can number 5 is a straight opening, basic straight opening, and what we did, we put inside like a fins from another aluminum can. We put some fins inside on each joint. We put a fin. I don't know if you can see it from there. Probably you can see it. It's this type of fin and go across. And this is our set number 5. Set number 6. This is set number 6. Is done by. This is what we did. We cut it and we push. I don't know if you can see it from there, but we just basically push. We didn't cut it all the way through. We just cut it like a 280 degrees, and we push the bottom down a little bit. And from the top, we did pretty much the same. We cut it 280 degrees, and we push it. We left everything there. You can see the old materials there. The top material and the bottom materials are there. This is our can number 6. And basic, that's what it is. Our set can number 7, you can see it there. This is done by cutting with the knife. We did it like you can see it there. We cut it with the knife, and we did a radial type of cutting all across, and the top is all straight cutting. And you can see there, this is our can number 7. So it's basically makes like a, probably this is like a, I don't know, very fine cut down there. And it's done on this one, it's done on this one, it's done on this one, it's done on this one. In each bottom of the can, they have this form, and the top is quite open. This is our set number 7. Our set number 8, this is pretty much like an X down, or a plus, whatever you want to call it. But what is important here, this is down in the bottom, but we keep at least a 1/4 inch opening. So we push this down, we open it, and we're not removing any material here. We're just pushing the material, we keep the material inside there. And basically we just did a 1/4 opening, and we did this X, while the top is quite open. You can see it there. It's wide open, nothing. We remove the top, and the bottom we do this X, and we make sure that I have at least half it, like a 1/4 inch opening. and that's basically our can number 8. Our set of can number 9, this is done by the top is remove the top, cut it all the way through, you know, with the cut it all the way through, and the bottom we do 4 holes with the nail spike, something like this big nail spike. This nail spike is the big one, is like around half an inch diameter nail spike, and we just did the 4 holes there with this nail spike. And this is our can number 9. It's basic. Open on the top, 4 holes on the bottom, and also it's done the 4 holes in each bottom of the can. So it's 4 holes here, 4 holes there, 4 holes in the other one. It's done the whole thing. You can see it here. You can see in the bottom, and that's how can number 9. The idea is that we're gonna try this, put it on the window, measure the temperature for the whole day, and we're gonna create the graph, and we're gonna see which one performs better. Which one of the 3 cans or the 9 cans that we have here. Which one of the 9 cans or the 9 types of different sets we have here it will perform better. The spiral opening, the X quarter opening, the open all the way through, the gutter drop water. This is the all the way through, open all the way through with some things put inside. This is the one that we cut in 280 degrees and push the material inside, but to keep all the material. This is like we cut it with a knife and we did this shape. This is the X with a 1/4 inch, and this is our nail spike, 4-hole nail spike. And to test this, we're gonna go to my window. We're gonna set it out to Temperature Pro, and we're gonna measure the temperature. So follow me. I show you how this gets done. All right. Here we have the 2 Temperature Pro. This is for channel number 1. This is for channel number 2. So we take the set of 4 cams, and we put it so the top of the can will be inside, will be covering the Temperature Pro. The next set of cam that we're going to compare to, we're going to put it on the second Temperature Pro. And this way, the air is going to come out from the bottom of the can. It's going to go through the 4 cams. It's going to come out from the top of the can, and we're going to measure right on the top of the can. We're going to measure the temperature. The same here, the air is going to come out from the bottom of the can. It's going to come out to the top of the can, and we're going to measure the temperature right on the top. This is a free flow. It's not forcing air. It's nothing. It's all natural flow, the cold air to hot air. Here we have a channel 1 with the cable to this device, which is a one wire sensor, temperature sensor. And next one we have channel 2 with the cable and the sensor device, the 1 wire sensor device. So the 2 channels are on the window. You can see it from there. They're on the window. The different type of cams here are in numbers, all the cams. You can see all the cams that I have made. Different shapes are here. And once these 2 reading temperature device, this one and this one, they start connected through these wires that goes down to the computer. Those wires coming over here to this board, and this board, what it does is communicate the temperature device, the 1 wire temperature device that are there on the window, and read the temperature every 20 seconds. Once the read is taken here and it's communicating 232 to the laptop that we have it connected here, and the laptop is going to keep logging all the temperature data during the all time. So this software you see here, what it does is recording 2 temperatures in Celsius, Fahrenheit. See if I can get a better shot of this. The 2 temperature in Celsius, Fahrenheit, for how long it's going to be recording, and I mean every 20 this is every 20 seconds it's going to be recording, That's the way we're going to measure. And all this data is going to record them back to the computer down there. Alright, let's do it.